You know, we win all the time at copyandwin.com, and you're getting pretty good at trading the stock market side by side with me. And today's the day we need to talk about compounding, because when people tell you, you know, those negative people in your life that tell you you'll never make it, that you'll never be a good stock trader, well, you don't have to swing for the fences. And as you know, we can grind out a couple percent a day pretty easily. We do it every day at copyandwin.com, and thousands of people in my Discord, we just win together. It's really fun. But here's the thought I need to put in your head. It's called compounding. You can look it up. But compounding is very simply adding your profits on to your account, never taking your money out, and trading a little bit bigger every day. That's how you build wealth. That's how you grow your account. And you can start small and still get, well, wealthy. We're doing it. We do it every day. So here's the math. It's very simple. Suppose you don't have a lot of money. Suppose you've only got $1,000 to start. Of course, you can add zeros if you want to start with 10,000 or 100,000 and see how powerful this math is. But you know, at copyandwin.com, we average easily 20% a week on conservative stock-only trades. If you're not sure how we do that, check out the website, you'll see for yourself. And if you're in my Discord already, you know that we actually, well, we do better than 20% a week, just about every week. So I always like to under-promise and over-deliver, and we do that. But let's assume that you make 20% a week. That's it, just 20%. And let's assume that you only have $1,000 to start. Suppose you make 20% a week on your $1,000. Well, 20% is just $200 the first week. No problem. You made $200. But at the end of the first week, you now have $1,200, don't you? So on week 2, you're starting with $1,200, and you make 20% that week. So 20% of $1,200 is how much? Well, it's $240 for that week. So at the end of week 2, you have $1,440. Week 3 comes along. Now you're trading with $1,440, and you again make 20%. What's 20% of $1,440? $288. Wow, it's getting powerful. And the third week, you're already making $288 a week. So at the end of the third week, you've got $1,728. Not bad. You started 3 weeks ago with just $1,000. You're already up $728. I like where this is going. So on week 4, just a month in, you start trading with $1,728 in your trading account. 20% of $1,728, well, that week you're going to make $345. And at the end of week 4, your $1,000 account, well, it's already worth $2,073. That's just in 1 month. If you had $10,000 to start, you'd have doubled your money in a month. But even with just $1,000 to start, you've doubled your money in a month. It's actually a little more powerful than that because 2 things. First, we tend to do a little bit better than 20% a week. Yeah, we do. And secondly, the numbers I've just given you assume weekly compounding, right? But as you win a little bit every day, you actually have a bigger account size on a daily basis, so you can trade bigger every day, not just every week. So on average, if you take all of the trades we've ever done, and you don't even do as well as we do, on average, you should be able to double your account every 3 to 4 weeks, whether you start with $1,000 or $10,000. Now, here's the power of doubling your account every 3 to 4 weeks. Start with $1,000, month 2, you have $2,000. Month 2, you start with $2,000. Month 3, you have $4,000. Month 4, you have $8,000. Wow. Month 5, $16,000. Month 6, $32,000. You see where this is going? Month 7, you're up to $64,000 from your $1,000. Month 8, 64 doubled is $128,000. Month 9, $256,000. In 9 months, could you really run $1,000 up to $250,000? Yeah, if you can average 20% a week, you will, if you don't take money out. And at copyandwin.com, we show you how. Right on the website, doesn't cost anything to look. And if you're already in my Discord, you already know that that's what we do. We average that. We have, since last December, been making that kind of money conservatively and safely. But let's assume that you're new at this and you're not even very good. Cut that in half, cut it in a quarter. What if you only make 10% a week? You're still on the road to riches. So when your friends, your neighbors, your relatives tell you you don't have what it takes, I say, all it takes is a computer or your phone, an internet connection, and a little bit of your time. And of course, your friends right here in my Discord. And if you're not even sure, if you don't want to risk real money, do what I've been preaching since episode 1 right here. Practice with Play Money. Does it cost you anything to open a demo account and start trading every day just following what we do? See for yourself. You can change your life, but mindset. You'll never change your life if you never try. Love you.